Welcome everyone. Got a couple of the Masters Universe figures today. Jitsu and Fisto. I actually did stumble upon his armor, Jitsu's armor. Fisto, I've seen his armor somewhere recently, but I can't place it, can't find it here now. Obviously we got some cultural issues over here that I don't want to, but I didn't want to disregard him because it was a cool figure. You got the gold arm, they got the same action. He was supposed to be punching, he was supposed to be chopping. But I think pretty sure they came out at the same time. And it's more, they got some, not sure what they got on them. They got, it's a sort of a white, sort of see it there underneath his nose. Been trying to get them cleaned off, but I don't think either one of them was really, I think they both appeared in the cartoons a couple of times, but neither one of them was really major characters back in the day. And see if I gotta get that. Yeah, that's helping some. I think in hindsight, if they could have, they would have made, I think they put Jitsu with the bad guys and Fisto with the good guys. If they just swapped those, it would have helped some. But, it is what it is, and now we know better. Anyway, they're both cool. I think I got him for Christmas. I remember that opening up. I was really excited because, the gold hand and everything. The gold is sort of faded now. It's not quite silver, but it was much more gold back in the day, I think. But I say, they were both cool characters. I liked them. I played with them a lot, like I did with all my stuff. I had plenty of free time when I was a kid. But anyway, that's all I really got to say about them. Got a few more going today, but the rest of the week. But if you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because I'm going to keep going for quite a while yet. Bye, y'all.